Thank you very much, Mr. President. I have several questions. So basically, 1.5 years ago, on the 25th of February 2021, just after the vaccination started, there was a similar committee like this, and I was present on that session. And there were 7 representatives of pharmaceutical companies, and they were claiming they have huge efficiency, 85, 89, 95, even up to 100%. Also that their products are safe. I didn't believe that because it's simply too much. So I contacted EMA, European Medicines Agency, and they simply told me, no, there is no independent testing on these products. The only data that we have approved these products, is the data that was provided to us by the pharmaceuticals companies themselves. Now, 1.5 years later, we see that there is a very small window of effectiveness, just a few months, and shrinking. Also, we now have 4th, 5th, and other doses. I'm sure that you will be able to justify even the 100 dose, 100 booster if necessary. When it comes to safety, we have on these products more side effects than on all other vaccines combined in 30 years. Also, the studies show the negative immunity and perhaps permanent damage to natural immunity of a patient. So basically, your product is not, and basically never was, what you presented it to be. If we just look at the last published data for the United Kingdom, and United Kingdom was known to have very good data, more than 95% of people who died connected to COVID were vaccinated. They took 1 or more doses. So basically, who are these products going to save, basically? What we have here, basically, is a massive consumer fraud, which involves billions of people. So my question to you is, was the initial study manipulated for marketing reasons to give bigger numbers? And do you find normal that products are approved without any independent research?
Getting lost in my notes. Yes, from Mr. Data provided from Mr. Sinčić, questions on data provided by companies, and some comments about the safety level of our product. Maybe just a couple of words. All the data, of course, are shared transparently. There has never been such a level of accelerated, I would say, release of clinical data as soon as they were available from all members of the industry on the therapeutic side as well as on the vaccine side, and we welcome it. I think the industry has made tremendous effort. I do believe that it's easy to forget, and it's very sad if we have the pleasure to be all together in this room. It's because we are in a very different state of the COVID-19 pandemic, and there is multiple hundreds and thousands of publications of the number of victims that have been saved thanks to the introduction of therapeutics and vaccine against COVID-19. So I do believe there has been a remarkable work done by the industry, but not by the industry alone, by all the healthcare stakeholders, be it the providers, the physicians, the regulators, and everybody has mobilized against this pandemic as never been before. So I do think that an extraordinary work has been done by the overall ecosystem against pandemic.